Hello guys, welcome to the Nitto Remastered project. My name is Sakosa, and I know that it's been a year since we've talked about the game in general. I've been working on it slowly, but life got in the way, my job mainly. But we are back, and I've made some progress, if not all progress. It's almost done, I swear. Um, I'm gonna show you a few things that I've been working on, such as account creation and showing you the state of the game right now, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Uh, in the meanwhile, I'm gonna mumble a bit about what's missing. So right now, in the main menu, let's call it, on the login form, the forgot my password is missing, and probably will be, because for the alpha you guys can talk with me about changing passwords, and I'll just create a form that changes the passwords if you guys insert a certain key. I don't need to do anything more than that, but I did create the create account menu, which fully working, as you guys can see. So you can change the wheels. None of these wheels are going to be the ones in the alpha, beta, or even the full release. This is just for testing, so don't get used to it. But everything else is working. You guys will receive an alpha code, and the people that are supposed to receive the alpha code already been selected, but as of today I have not sent anything because this is not yet done. There's still a bit more to be done. I need to debug some things that I'm going to talk about later on, but I will show you the people that were called upon to work on the alpha. It's everyone in this list. This list, it's not permanent. It's not going to stay the same. It will expand. And the people that are in here, they need to collaborate with me and everyone else on the team. Otherwise, there's no reason to be on the alpha, if not to just play it. You should enjoy it, of course, but the sooner we get out of alpha, the better for everyone, okay? This is on the Discord. It's nothing new. I'm just gonna show it just in case that some people don't have Discord and only watch YouTube videos, but for some reason they went and then went away from Discord. It's here, so everyone here is going to be called out via email on the Google's form that's in the description, okay? So you will insert the alpha code that you will receive soon. Racer name, password. I will not see the password, obviously, it's secured. The key, and then it will create an account, and you just log in. These buttons, let me just show you so you guys know, these buttons are going to disappear. This is for debug. These are just my Smurf accounts to test out things. So it's working. This part is new, the activate your purchase. This is not just for purchases, this is to activate certain rewards for testing, like a huge amount of money, points, vehicles. If for some reason I need you guys to test something out, I'll just either give you directly from the database or give you a code and it will activate inside of the game. This was already done, nothing new. The models are a little bit more polished. They are still missing the brakes. That's for later on. I have the code working, I just don't want to put it right now. It's a waste of time. Since you guys voted last time about the visual models, I have rejected debugging it, so what it is what it is. Practice track, it works. It has a model, again, still to be debugged, but it moves. It does everything. I'm just not gonna debug it right now. You can race. This is for debug purposes again. So we have practice track. That's done. We have dealerships. As you can see, you can test drive in the dealership with the car. You can purchase it. I don't know if I have space in my garage right now. Yes, I have. You can purchase the vehicles. So let me see if I can purchase. Oh shit, I'm poor. Never mind. But you can purchase it. Oh, I can buy with points. Oh, right. It's from Vista Heights. You see, everything is working. I need to progress. New bird. You can actually progress right now. This is also new, so you can move up and move down. You will earn the things that are the script that are written here. The fees are not working. I don't want to place that right now on the alpha. There's no reason to, and I won't do it in the future. For now, you can move up. You will move up. In this case, there was an overdrawn. That's for debug purposes again. Vista Heights. I'm here. I have a bunch of spaces right now, and I should be able to buy the vehicle with points at least. Yes, I did. And it's here, you see? It's this one. A bunch of taggies. You see, the wheels, the tires changed because these are testing tires, and these are the default tires for the default vehicle. It's not going to be like this, of course. More things. We have the tournament strip. Everything is working as it should, except for a little bug that I'm yet to debug. I haven't found the cause for it, but sometimes you can just keep doing tournaments, and other times you come in and it crashes the client. It's a simple bug. I'll fix it later, but for now, works. Rival strip also works. There's always one rival strip that you can come in and leave, and nothing happens. If somebody else joins, it works. I just don't have a client. I have uninstalled the add-on that I used to debug multiplayer, but again, it's working. Everything's working on the rival strip. The shops, let me check if I remember. Yes, everything is working. It appears with this untextured sprite. Again, also works. I just haven't programmed it yet. I do not care about these textures. I know they work, so we'll move on. Buying and installing also works. Of course, there are certain things that are free, other things, you see a bunch of things that are free that don't have prices. That will be revamped in the future, but right now the shop is complete, and I'm gonna say incomplete because you can buy every single part of every single vehicle, which is not supposed to. For example, you see, you can't buy a Toyota Supra hood, and certainly one that doesn't change your appearance. It should be like the Toyota, right? Of course not, because that's not how it works. But these are the things that are missing that I'm gonna program in the future. It's certainly like a week's work, if I'm not mistaken, to do this behavior fix, which is limit which vehicles should allow which parts to be bought. It's confusing, and certainly even more confusing to explain in my second language, but don't worry, it will be fixed. And that's mostly what it's missing for the alpha. So shop fix, the CPU tournament, and data persistence. That's another thing. If I leave right now, the server is not saving it. Only the accounts, the created accounts, they are being saved, but you see, the cache is not being saved. So there's no persistence. If for some reason the server crashes, you guys lose everything. Let me explore. Oh yeah, we have a dyno garage. Oh, never mind. Yes, you can dyno your vehicles. You can actually dyno multiple times, just not multiple vehicles, and you can check the graphs. They're all the same. Let me just move this. Different colors. So you can compare the graphs. The dyno is mostly working. As you can see, the scale is not. I don't think so. At least I don't remember it working. 220, 225, 189. Yeah, I don't think it's working. But the shape is accurate. And this is a quick fix again. This was really fast to develop, so ignore it. More things. I'm not gonna program King of the Hill for now, because I think we have a lot to test on the rival test strip. So I'm not gonna add another game mode. It's gonna be cumbersome. Leaderboards, that's gonna be for the future. Everything else, mostly future, beta probably, but again, working. You guys ask, so how long is it gonna take for me to play the game? I mean, I don't even know, because I'm programming it as long as I have some free time, and I don't have a lot of free time, or even, how should I say this? I like to dedicate myself to the game, but right now there are other priorities that I need to dedicate time to, so you guys are gonna be in the back burner for a while, but I do expect things to move fairly quickly in the next month or two. So you guys check your emails for some alpha codes or some resemblance of a warning that is gonna come. Other than that, I mean, what you see, what you get. So we're almost there. This game is not gonna be just as simple as this. The game is gonna progress every month. I've talked about it with some members of the community about what content am I gonna add. I'm gonna add a bunch of content. I'm gonna add the UCL. I'm gonna add different impound behaviors. I'm gonna add some more events and other things for you guys to entertain yourselves. And the game is gonna progress, I swear. And it's gonna be a lot faster than right now. This is the boring part, the base behavior. But once that's programmed and debugged, it's smooth sailing, or at least I hope it is, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy, and see you on the next one. Bye.